How to add Duolingo widgets to home screen. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now this is extremely simple. All you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through the app downloader on your device. For example, if you're using like iOS or Android, you can just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Now, after you have downloaded Duolingo, all you have to do is to go ahead and hold click on your screen right here, and this window will show up. Once inside, you want to click on the edit button and you want to select the add widgets option. From here, after downloading Duolingo, you can now go ahead and find that option inside the add widgets button. You can just go ahead and look for Duolingo, and from there you can go ahead and choose between the presets that the Duolingo have. So in my case, I don't have Duolingo on my device because it is not yet available on my region, but you can just head over to the add widgets option and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.